Hey everybody, got some more tool deals for you. These are going to be at Harbor Freight, and these are going to be good until the end of this weekend, so Sunday, April 28th. So in case you don't know, Harbor Freight's doing 3 days of spring savings. Everyone saves 30% off. Now this isn't the greatest deal, but this is what they got going on this weekend. 30% off, but only items that are $10 and under. Yeah, I know. Kind of sucks. Wish this was 30% off of any item, but it's only going to be on items that are $10 and under in store and online. And then you do have a limit, 5 in store, limit 1 online. So they do have limits on that also. But if you are the Inside Track Club member, you'll get 30% off, but they bump that up an extra $10. So it's going to be all items $20 and under, but that's just going to be in stores only, not online. So a couple coupons there for 30% off. They also have some super coupons going on. So we'll go ahead and jump into those, see what they got going on. They got the Pittsburgh 2-ton floor jack. This is the rapid pump. $100 for this, not a bad deal on the Pittsburgh jack. They got the Quinn taping knife, $549. You guys looking for a TV wall mount? They actually sell some pretty good TV wall mounts. I actually own a couple of these, and they work pretty well. $37.99. They got the U.S. General 27-inch top chest, $219.99. Available in 8 different colors. These U.S. Generals are really nice. You get your heat gun. I'll tell you what, for $10 for a heat gun, this is corded, but I mean, I have my old Chicago electric heat gun, I think from like, I don't know, 9 years ago. That's still going strong. It's corded. You really can't beat it for $10. And then we got the Bauer palm sander for $15. Got the Pittsburgh 14-piece wrench set for $20. And then we got some more Pittsburgh stuff here. We got the Pittsburgh Impact deep socket set 13-piece for $21.99. And then we got the heavy-duty reflective tarp for $23. Now, we do got some more coupons, and they do got another 25% off any single air hose with this coupon here. And you can find all these coupons on Harbor Freight's website. So they got any single air hose, 25% off. This is going to be under the air tools and compressors. So they got some fittings, $2. They got the 100-foot manual steel hose reel for $20 by Central Pneumatic. Nice simple hose reel there for a cheap price. You got your Spectrum air spray gun for $90. And then we got some McGraw compressors here. You got your 10-gallon, you got a 20-gallon, and you got the 29-gallon. So depending on what you need, a bunch of different sizes, and then also prices there for you. Got the automotive. These are always nice. The magnetic part holder for $179. We got some fuses. Another nice pickup here, the 50-pack of towels for $9. We got the compact air compressor. Not really sure how well this works, but this one's coming in at $58. And if you guys are looking for a better jack, they got the Daytona 3-ton jack with the rapid pump for $200. Got some rope here, the camo rope for $4. And then here's another pretty good pickup. It's a jump pack. This is a jump starter power pack. So this is the 630 by Centec for $60. I don't think this one has the air compressor built into it. Definitely would pick up the one with the air compressor. I think they usually get that on sale for right around the same price. Got the Badlands winch for $70. Not a bad pickup there. Here is the 100-watt solar panel for $100. Not a bad deal. And we got some hand tools. Got the hammer for $4. Got the folding hex key set, only $5 for this. I'll tell you what, guys, I've got a set of these that I've had probably now for almost 10 years. And I know a lot of people kind of complain about these because they say that these little nuts and screws here get loose and these flop around. All I did was put a little bit of Loctite on these and just snugged them up a little bit, not too tight so you can't move them, and they haven't moved ever since. So not a hard fix on that. If you guys have these, like I said, just tighten these up and then maybe apply some blue Loctite. You won't have any issues. $5 for that, not a bad deal. I love mine. They work really well. Got the Quinn 4-piece plier set for $20. Go ahead, scroll down. You got the Icon screw extractor set, 15 piece for $30. You can go into some lighting and specialty. Not really sure how well this heat shrink tubing is. I never used it from Harbor Freight. I know some of this stuff can be kind of cheap and almost like a plasticky. So if you guys know how well this works, let me know in the comment section below. Got the mini flashlights for $2. Not too bad. Pick up a few of these for maybe a power outage, something like that. And then if you want something better, they got the Braun lights. They got the 300 lumen magnetic pocket light, $4. Those are nice. And then the 85 lumen pocket pen light for $5. Here's a 7-function digital multimeter. I remember when these used to be free with a coupon when Harbor Freight first came out. Let's see what else we got here. Got some 500 lumen solar security lights, only $20. These come in handy. Put around a shop or garage. Got material handling and safety. Always nice to pick up some Hardy gloves. I like picking up these work gloves or the rubber gloves from Harbor Freight. Usually get pretty good deals. This moving blanket's also nice. I got a few of these. These come in handy. Got the Ranger gel knee pads, $12.99 for those. Got the hand truck for $90. This Franklin hardwood dolly is pretty nice too. And you got to move stuff around your shop. Only $14 for that. Got some tarps. Tarps are always a good pickup at Harbor Freight, depending on what you need, like heavy duty, light duty stuff. Got the Predator gas cultivator for $200. This is a little small 2-stroker. And we're going to some power tools. Got some nut setters here, 9-piece, only $4. Got the Hercules dual action polisher for $115. Bauer concrete pull saw for $240. Got the Bauer angle grinder for $25, corded of course, 8 amp. Got the router bit set, 15-piece for $33. Got the shears, 14 gauge metal shears for $50. And we got the Hercules SDS for $380. Got shop and garage. Now they got the Icon 400-pound capacity premium creeper, $75. I actually picked up the Pittsburgh creeper not too long ago. Actually, I think it was last year's parking lot sale. I think at like $20. I still use that one. I like it a lot. I don't have any issues with it. Got the Pittsburgh engine stand for $90. Rolling seat for $90. Go into some storage. These hooks are nice. Magnetic hooks, $5. The Apache cases, always a nice pickup. Catch those on sale. These are really built really nice. You got any expensive electronics, maybe a pistol, something like that, $10 for this. And it's got that pick and pull foam in there, so you can custom fit whatever you want. Lots of padding, really nice material that this is built out of. Only $10 for that, not a bad pickup. I got the metal ammo can for $12. Here's the U.S. General 6-drawer full bank service cart, $520. Available in 9 different colors. These are nice. Welding machinery. I got a bunch of these nylon spring clamps. These are always nice when you're doing a project, like a wood project or something. Maybe you need to glue something together. I usually grab these to hold maybe 2 pieces of wood together or something like that. These come in really handy. Got some vices here. And then we got some limited time coupons. Looks like some Icon stuff. 73-inch top chest, $1,400. We got the 56-inch top chest for $1,000. And you got the end cab for $700. Got the Bauer hammer drill driver kit for $55. That's going to come with your charger and your battery also. And it looks like they got the 15 amp 10-inch job site table saw by Hercules, $330. And then another coupon here, 20% off select automotive chemicals. And then also, guys, it looks like they still have the buy one get one going on for Bauer. So pick up the 5 amp hour battery and the 3 amp charger, only $89.98. Get to choose one of these tools here. Pretty good selection of tools. And then they got the same thing going on for Hercules. Pick up the 5 amp hour battery and the 4 amp charger for $100. You get to choose one of these free tools, and another pretty good selection of tools there too for Hercules. All right, guys, so that's it. Just a quick rundown of what's going on at Harbor Freight this weekend. Just want to keep you guys updated. They got some 30% off coupons going on, and Inside Track Club members save a little bit more than everyone else, but hey, that's the price you pay when you're part of the membership. So hopefully you guys found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are going to pick anything up this weekend. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.